Okay students, let's start with the last exercise 5C of this fraction chapter. This exercise is very important. Here you will get addition, subtraction and simplification of fractions, and on the basis of these three concepts, different types of word problems. Clear? So whatever you have learned in the previous two exercises, whatever I have taught you about all the concept, means how to convert from mixed numeral to improper fraction, or from improper fraction to mixed numeral, or else like fraction, unlike fractions, means operations, how to do operation to negative integer, how to do first, means do additions. So whatever the concept you have learned in the previous chapter or previous exercises, almost all the things you will get over here, like LCM. Clear or not? So let's start with question number 1. Here express your answer in the simplest form. Mind it, simplest form. That means you have to bring your answer into lowest term. That is very important. Clear? So now question number 1. Here total 5 sums are there. In these 5 sums, all are addition. Question number 2, subtraction. These 1 number and 2 number, these two are addition and subtraction of like fractions, because all the denominators are same. 3 and 4, addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Clear? 5, 6, 7, 8, these are simplifications. Clear? Like, unlike, both. Now in case of like fraction, it is very easy to understand. Unlike also very easy, but for like fraction, what you will do here, main concept will be applying over here, that is LCM of the denominators. Understood? Now see, here one number I have done, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now at first step is, whenever you will do the addition or subtraction or simplification of fraction, at first step is you have to do the LCM of the denominators. So as these two are like fractions, so its LCM will be any one of the number. Like both are 3, so in LCM you will write 1 3. Clear? After writing 1 3 in the denominator, now in the numerator what you will write? Whatever the numbers are there, whatever the digits are there, that digits directly you will write along with the sign. Here it is plus sign, that is 1 plus 1. Got it my point? So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 is the proper fraction. So after getting the answer, always you have to notice that whether it is proper fraction or improper fraction. If it is proper fraction or it cannot be simplified further, then that will be the final answer. Or if it is improper fraction, then you have to bring it into mixed numeral again. And in improper fraction or in proper fraction, if you see it can be simplified further, you have to simplify. That means you have to bring the final answer in its lowest term. Clear students? So here 2 by 3, both are prime numbers. So prime numbers cannot be divided further. So it is the final answer. Clear? Same here, 4 number 1 I have done. 22, 22, both are 22 denominators, so LCM will be 22. The numerators you add directly. So here numerator also 22, denominators also 22. So as both numerator and denominators are same, so it can be cancelled. Yes or no? 1, here also 1, here also 1. So 1 by 1 means what? Only 1. I told you in the denominator, if it will be 1, we neglect it. Actually it is 1 by 1. So these 1 in the denominator 1 we just neglect. We don't write. If you don't write, then also it indicates that here is 1 is there in the denominator. Clear? So 1 by 1 means 1. Clear? Same way question number 2. Same thing like fraction but in subtraction form. Here 2 number I have done. Same LCM 9. Directly you will place the number here negative sign. That's why you place negative. Minus sign. 7 minus 4. 3. 3 by 9. Now 3 by 9 is not the final answer because you have to see that whether it can be simplified further or not. So 3 by 9 can be simplified. Yes or no? 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So 1 by 3. So as 1 by 3 you have got the answer. 1 is a unit number and 3 is a prime number. So it cannot be simplified again. That means 1 by 3 is the final answer. Clear? Now here another type is there. It is not fractional form given. First number it is given in whole number form. So if there is any whole number, that means this whole number we consider as a numerator. That means its denominator is 1. Clear? It is hidden. It has not written. So actually it is whole number means its denominator is 1. Now same way if you consider, now here you see whenever you will get this type of fraction, means one fraction along with one whole number, then in the LCM you will write the denominator of the fraction directly. Clear? After writing the digit, after writing the denominator as a LCM, when you will simplify directly with that LCM which is the whole number, that one you will multiply. Clear? 4 1 ja 4. Understood? Minus, and here as both these denominators are same, so which one is the numerator, that one you will write. Clear students, what I have told over here? If you get any whole number, then for the fraction which one denominator you have written as a LCM, with that LCM, that numerator directly you will multiply. 4 1 ja 4 minus in the second one, as both the fractions are same, sorry denominators are same, so that directly you will place the numerator along with sign. Clear? So 4 minus 3 is what? 1 by 4. Understood? Question number 3. Now unlike fraction. See it carefully. For the unlike fraction, first one I have showed little bit means descriptive way that you can understand. Second one I have done directly. So as these two are unlike fractions, at first step is you have to find out the LCM. Always use the working column. See, I have found out the LCM with common division method. Clear? You know how to find out the LCM. Where you will stop your dividing, you have to divide with the prime numbers. Clear? At last when you get 1 prime number or 1, then you will stop your division. So in this way, after that I have got the LCM is 24. 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Now after writing the LCM, now come for the first one, how to simplify. What is the first step? With the first fraction, what is the denominator? Denominator of the first fraction, mind it. First what you will do, you will divide this LCM with the denominator. See, divide the LCM with the denominator, and with that quotient you will multiply the numerator of the same fraction. That's why I have written in this way. 24 divided by 8 into 3. Same way 24 divided by 12 into 7. Clear? Now 24 divided by 8 means what? 3. 3 into 3. 24 divided by 12 means what? 2. 2 into 7. 3 3 ja 9, 2 7 ja 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. So 23 by 24, it is a proper fraction and it cannot be simplified further. So it is the final answer. Clear, students? How to do this step for unlike fraction? First you will find out the LCM of the denominators, then you will move step by step. First fraction you will consider. With the denominator of the first fraction you will divide the LCM, and with that quotient you will multiply the numerator of the same fraction. Same way you will move for the next fraction. Clear? Have you understood? Now see, second one I have done means without showing this step. Directly I have done. Here also 8, 12, 16, these three are unlike fractions. Yes or no? So find out the LCM first with the common division method. LCM I have got 24. So first you will write 24. Now see, directly I have done 24 divided by 8. 3. 3 into 1. 3. 24 divided by 12. 2. 2 into 5. 10. 24 divided by 6. 4. 4 5 jar. 20. Clear? So after that you add. You have got 33 by 24. Now 33 by 24, it is an improper fraction. Clear? So when you will get any improper fraction or proper fraction, first you will see here only you can simplify or not. So as you have seen, you cannot simplify it over here. Clear? You cannot simplify over here. Then you convert into mixed fraction. Clear? After converting into mixed fraction, you have got 1 of 9 by 24. 1 of 9 by 24. Now this 9 by 24, it can be simplified again with 3. Yes or no? 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja 24. So 1 of 3 by 8. This is the final answer. Clear? Have you seen how to solve this type of unlike fractions for addition or means subtraction also is there? Clear or not, students? It is clear to you? I think it is means you should not face any problem for this. Next, question number 4. Same unlike fraction. Here from question number, I think from question number 4 more it is subtraction. So here also same way you will do. First you will find out the LCM. Then same way, like 30 divided by 10, 3, 3 7 ja 21, 30 divided by 15, 2, 2 2 ja 4. It has come 17 by 30. So it cannot be simplified further, so it is the final answer. Now more one I have showed with whole number. I told you, no, whatever, if there will be a whole number, that means in the denominator there is 1. So 1 and 8 LCM will be what? 8. If you find out LCM with 1, whatever number you will consider, that LCM is that number, the bigger number, greater number itself. Clear or not? So if you consider here 1 also, 1 and 8 LCM will be 8. So what I have told you, if there is any whole number, with the LCM directly you will multiply that number. Actually it is what? 8 divided by 1, 8, 8 2 ja 16. So without going through that long process, directly you can multiply 8 2 ja 16. And here 8 divided by 8, 1, 1 into 3, 3. Clear? 16 minus 3 is 13. 13 by 8 is what? It is an improper fraction and it cannot be simplified further. So convert into mixed fraction. 1 of 5 by 8. Now 1 of 5 by 8, it is the final answer because 5 by 8 it cannot be simplified. 5 is the prime number. So students, I think it is clear up to 4 number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it or not? How to solve, how to simplify addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. So in the next video I am showing from question number 5. Clear? Complete all the sums in your copy. Thank you.